Thursday, February 6th, and it looks like we got some doors on, and there's some grinding going on here. So we're going to check in with Dad and Aidan and see what's going on. So I'm going to zip over to the other side here. Can't really see what's going on because the doors are closed, but they are on. At least two, the front doors are on. And it looks like Aidan is grinding down some of the door edges there.
We're just hanging the doors to the name welding hinges, huh?
Okay.
And then we got lots of sanding to do.
Okay. So, as you can see, Dad has the hinges in place on here. These are the Weld-on style hinges. And he does use the old ones, but in this case, Peter wanted these ones, and these ones are good for
you can lift the door right off.
Yeah, and you can also grease it. The grease type hinge.
So I have a lot of sanding to do with this sander, eh?
Yeah.
Just smoothing that off.
Okay. No problems. So, a little warmer today, not too much, but enough. And looks like they've got quite a bit of work here done today. Dogs are outside, they're having their treats, and Dad has given some light supervision here. And we'll check in with the other progress when Dad's done supervising here. So Aidan's continuing to clean up the welding on the where the grinding where they were welding for the type of door hinge that they are using there. And Dad's doing some welding here on the side, and good progress today, and it's coming along, and we're going to go interview Peter. So, what do you think, Peter? Are you happy with the progress?
The boys are doing a fantastic job.
Aren't they, though? You got doors on, man. I know Dad had a few little things on the inside, like the drive shaft, and he had to hook up the power cable.
Interview the owner.
That's what I'm doing. And there's an electrical cable there, I think, that you have to hook up for the power steering. So getting closer every day. You know, they'll get it all running there. I know that's what Dad wants to see it running. And then I guess the last stage is the paint job. So it's I think we're lucky to have Aidan and Coop and Randy here as well. And but yeah, and then the shop full of dogs and a cat. So guys, that's it for today, and we'll check back in with Dad's progress tomorrow. Oh, Charlie, and they're so happy. Hey, old dog.